E-commerce is booming. It is estimated that by 2023, there will be over 3 billion people who regularly shop online, accounting for over $6+ trillion of sales. More and more people are transitioning from bricks and mortar sales to the online sphere. The time to start is now. But not everyone can succeed. If you've tried to enter this growing industry but failed to make any sales, if you've been baffled by the millions of options, listings, and opportunities to make money online and just didn't know where to start, I don't blame you. Research shows that over 99% of those seeking to make money online fail. This can be for a number of reasons. They don't know how to drive traffic, which niches to get into, how to start. But the thing is, selling online doesn't have to be hard. All it takes is to figure out what other successful sellers are doing and then copy them step by step. Their selling tactics, distribution methods, their suppliers. Once you have that, you have a head start over 99% of the others who never make a dime. We are a software development company with a string of best-selling products to our name. You may be familiar with our flagship product, Intelligence, which has revolutionized the e-commerce industry. Through the years, we've made it our mission to level the playing field between those who are entering the industry and those who have already achieved success. We believe it's only fair, especially in these turbulent times, to help the small player make a sustainable, reliable income online. This doesn't have to be hard. All that is required is to track, identify, and mimic the strategies and tactics of those dominating your niche. This was the reason we developed Spressio, to achieve exactly that. Spressio is a software designed to help those entering the e-commerce industry with no knowledge, connections, or experience whatsoever. This is our most comprehensive and effective venture to date. Based on feedback from an army of happy customers, we know that Spressio is a game changer, a simple system to give you a head start over your competitors. It works in 3 simple steps. Activate. Your user ID and password will be sent to you via email. Just enter them into the software and you are ready to go. Watch. Spressio will spy on other stores' performance. It finds the most trending products with the most profit potential and then imports them to your store. It will find their suppliers and will calculate your profit margins. Profit. These trending products generate a flood of traffic, resulting in immediate sales and profit. Now, let's break this down further. How exactly does it work? Shopify is by far the largest platform used by dropshippers worldwide, and Spressio uses this to your advantage. Simply enter any keyword into Spressio, and the software will identify the best-selling listing for that keyword. This works on any Shopify store, because that's where the big money is. Spressio will find the supplier that the seller buys the product from. This is the most guarded information any online seller has, and it is worth its weight in gold. Having that information means you can list similar products from the same supplier on your own store, resulting in a better chance to get sales. Spressio will even calculate the profit margin, the difference between your Shopify listing price and the price charged by the manufacturer. There is nothing like this in the market. Spressio is entirely unique and the best tool there is today to start generating sales as a dropshipper and as an e-commerce store owner. Imagine what it would feel like to have a successful store generating thousands of dollars a month. Being the owner of a prosperous dropshipping business. Having the satisfaction of knowing that you've succeeded when others have failed. This is almost impossible unless you have the right tools at your disposal. Spressio does exactly that by identifying where, how, and why products sell on the Shopify platform, and the suppliers who deliver those products. It gives our customers an edge over their competitors, placing them in the unique position of being able to make immediate and informed decisions that make their stores succeed. But you must take action now. The price won't stay this low, so if you leave and come back later, you will pay more. Outside this launch, Spressio is a monthly subscription service, and it will revert back to that when this launch finishes. Spressio is currently selling for a low, one-time fee. So don't hesitate. Click the buy button now below, and I'll see you on the inside.
During this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find hot selling products using Spressio. Now, when you first log in, you'll notice that it is already loaded with recent hot selling products that the software has found. And just above that, we have these filters where we can narrow down the niche, types of products, pricing, and so forth. Okay, so let's run through the filters real quick, and then we'll find some hot selling products that we can add to our store. Along the top row here, we can filter these by how many orders the product has, the price of the product, and how long ago that Spressio found that product. So let's say that I'm looking for a hot selling product that has at least 50 orders. I also want this product to be at least $20. And then we'll say that I don't mind when the product was found. Anytime works for me. Below that, we have some sorting options. We can sort the products by the most recently found, the number of orders, the price, or the amount of stores that is currently selling this product. So we'll put mine on number of orders, and then I want to filter that from high to low. Next up, I'm going to enter my keyword, and we're going to say makeup for this example, and then click on search. Once I do that, we can see that we now have 5 products that match the criteria that I entered above. At least 50 orders, and they sell for at least $20. Now, before I jump into the products themselves, the last thing that we can do up here at the top is we can save this search so that we can come back later and load it up instantly without having to select these filters again. So I'm going to click on Save Search, and we're going to call this my makeup search, and we're going to save that. So now when I come back to the software later on, I can click this little drop-down menu, select makeup search, and it will automatically populate these filters and sorting options for me and the products that match that criteria. And then finally, I can turn on an email alert, and this way, Spressio will email me anytime they find new products that match this criteria. And when that happens, you'll receive an email that looks like this. So now that we have all of this configured and saved, let's go ahead and take a look at the products that Spressio has found for us. Let's take a look at the first one here, for example. We have the default image. We can see how many stores is currently selling this product. So for example, this one is being sold on 28 different stores. We have a bird's eye view of the orders, the cost of the products, the average selling price across these 28 stores, the profit margin, and the sales. So from here, we have a few different options. We can click on AliExpress, and this is going to open up this product in AliExpress so we can get more information, check the shipping charges, etc. We also have this inspector button. So let's go ahead and click on that and open it up. From here, we can see the orders trend. This is going to show us how many orders this product is receiving on a daily basis. So we can see this particular product is on a little bit of a down slope. In some cases, you'll see the products going upwards in an upwards trend. We can also click on the stores trend, and this is going to show us how many stores have added this product to their store on a daily basis. So it is being added in an upward trend on a daily basis. And then lastly, we can click on Shopify stores, and we can see the exact stores that are selling this product. So for example, we have mymakeupbrushset.com. We can click the little arrow over here and go to the next one, and we can do this for all 28 stores. And we can even click on the name of the store, open it up, and browse the store, see how they are selling this product, see their descriptions, see their selling angles, and so forth. So we can do a lot of competitor research by going to the websites. Lastly, if we go back here and close out of the product inspector, we have 2 more options along the top of the products. We have the bookmark option, and then we have the export list option. Let's go ahead and click on both of these. And once I do so, along here at the top, you'll notice that we also have the Shopify Export Products tab, and then we also have the Bookmarked Products tab. Let's go ahead and jump inside of the Bookmarked Products, And this section here is exactly what it sounds like. We can bookmark products, come back to them later, and continue into our research of that product. So if you're not ready to exactly export that product to your store yet, you can bookmark it and come back to it later. The next option that we have is the ability to export the products to your store. So if I click on this one here, then I click on export to Shopify, that is going to download a CSV file for that product where I can easily import that into my store. Now, assuming you have a lot of products selected, that's going to save you a lot of time to instantly import all of them with the CSV file. And once you download that, Spressio will go ahead and give you the option to go ahead and remove all of those products from your export products list, just like that. And that's how simple it is to use Spressio to find hot selling products that match your criteria and easily import them into your store.